Hi guys, welcome to Creative Making. My name is Pete, and in this video I'm going to be turning my YouTube logo into a little toy statue type thing. I'm going to be giving 3 of these away, so if you want to be in with a chance of grabbing one of those, continue watching the video and I'll explain all at some point. This is only a quick one this week. The next video that's coming out is going to be a lot longer. I'm going to be doing a silicone half mask and I'll show you the whole process from sculpting through to moulding to casting, painting and what have you. But until then, sit back, relax and enjoy. So many years ago, Glen Southern, a friend of mine, modelled my YouTube logo for me, and since then it's been sat on a hard drive minding its own business. So I thought for this video what I'll do is I will 3D print some of these out, I'll paint them up and I'll give some of them away. So here you can see the printer whizzing away. I'm just printing one to start with, just so I can get all the sizing right. I'm going to glue that together, see what it looks like. There's only 4 parts to this little model. There's the main body, there's the brain, which I'm gluing on there, and then there's the arms. I'm gluing this together using super glue. The little dropper bottle there in the background there, that's got super glue activator in that. It's when I glued this together about now that I realised that brain's way too small, but also we need to cut these domes down as well. I thought I'd cut the dome down first. These I've got off Temu. They're just plastic display case dome things. So I'm just going to mark that out roughly. Not even sure if this is the right height, but I've got plenty of them, so let's give it a go. So just using a cutting wheel with the old Dremel, let's just slice that off. Bit of a happy accident there, that's the perfect size. The brain's a little bit too small as I mentioned, but I reprinted those out. I also realised you can't see black on the video, so I've ended up printing them all out in white. Just to give you a little insight, these are all the rejects that I ended up printing. They're either too big, too small, or whatever, so yeah, it took a while to get this printed, or they're broken like that one. So let's get all the pieces ready. These are the main bodies. You can see those layer lines in there, they're really bad. There's the brains and the arms, there's a few pretty bad ones there as well. Let's have a look at the main bodies. I printed way more than I need just in case. Yeah, there's lots of layer lines here. I've printed this in PLA, which doesn't seem to sand that well, so maybe if I was to do this again, I would use ABS. Sort of flame anneal them, realised I was burning my hand, so I put them onto a brass rod. This is just to get rid of any little stray fluffy bits. So it's time to assemble them all. As before, I'm just using super glue and some activator there. And it's a pretty quick job just to glue these together. It's fairly simple. So on with the arms. So one thing that I find really difficult to watch on videos is when they show you the whole painting process and they generally tell a little story while they're painting. So I'm just going to whiz through that pretty quick. So there's the grey primer. And then I'm just going to use my airbrush and some Vallejo paints just to kind of get that base blue down. There we go. And then pretty much everything after that is hand painted. But as I say, I'm not going to let you sit and watch all of that because it's pretty boring. So I'll explain how you can grab hold of one of these if you want. If you do want one of these, I'm giving 3 away. All you need to do is be subscribed to the channel and to like the video. And also, if you can put a comment down below in this video, tell me what it is you like making and what's your favourite material to make it in. So there we go, little guy there, all done and finished. As soon as I've got 3 people chosen in a couple of weeks, I'll get in touch with you and I'll arrange to send one out. It's only a short video this time, folks, but stick around for the long one. The next one's going to be great. Until then, thanks very much for subscribing. Please share the channel, like the videos, comment, and if you'd really like to help support the channel, click the QR code in the corner of the screen and you can buy me a coffee. It really would mean the world, and it would help an awful lot. Thanks, folks.